Hi and welcome to this ClickLearn demo. My name is Lars Heinrich and I'm the training manager of ClickLearn. In this demo I'd like to take you through all the nice features of ClickLearn. Now I'd like to show you a learning portal or an example of a learning portal created with ClickLearn Studio. This one has been embedded into the CRM solution that I'm working with. Let me show you. So as I said, this is just an example of a learning portal. I've created a couple of areas in here within the learning portal, and I'd like to show you how to get a hold of the content. So right now we're looking at this scene from the end user side and what they will be achieving by this. So I want to know something about marketing. I want to know how to create a marketing list. And here I have all my instructions. The first thing we're looking into here is the HTML file of the written documentation. ClickLearn has also created this as a Word document and as a PDF document. ClickLearn has created each and every sentence for me. It's cropped all the images perfectly in the size that I wanted and put in all the highlighted areas. All I did to achieve this is go through my process, have ClickLearn record this, and then produce all the content afterwards. ClickLearn has also created this as a PowerPoint. So in cases where I need to do maybe classroom training, where I need to blow this up on the big screen, I will also have the PowerPoints for me in here. And as you see here, it will be the same screenshots, but the full screenshots, the same highlighted areas in there, and the same text beneath each of the slides. So that's all the written documentation that ClickLearn creates. ClickLearn also creates the content in 3 levels of video: the Show Me, Try Me, and Test Me video. Let me show you this. The Show Me, Try Me, and Test Me videos are all HTML formats, playable on any device. The Show Me video
Steps. Select the dynamic marketing list. Click on the link in cell, Fall Activation Campaign. Click on the menu item Manage Members. Click on the button, Use Query. Create a query to search and find the leads to be added.
So that was the Show Me video. Everything created automatically by ClickLearn, auto-narrated, auto-subtitled, and everything perfectly aligned. The Try Me video can be compared to using a sandbox system without you needing to maintain data for the sandbox system or add users to the sandbox and clean up afterwards. The Try Me is just a simulation where the end user can interact. Let me show you this.
Steps. Select the dynamic marketing list. Click on the link in cell, Fall Activation Campaign.
So now ClickLearn will wait for me to do an action in here, and I'm working in a secure environment. So if I try to delete anything or in other ways alter the system, I won't be able to do that. I'll only be able to go through the steps in here. So
Click on the menu item Manage Members.
in this way, I'll be able to go through the system or through the process in a safe environment without doing any mistakes in here. Once I've been learning by either going through the written documentation, going through the Show Me video, or maybe trying out the process myself, I can also test my abilities to go through the process. Let's have a look at the test me.
Objective. The following describes the process for adding leads to a dynamic marketing list. To complete the process, you must have the following information available. Active, dynamic marketing list. 1 or more active leads. Navigation. Click on the item marketing lists. Steps. Select the dynamic marketing list. Click on the link in cell, Fall Activation Campaign.
So now I won't be shown how to go through the steps anymore. I will need to figure this out myself. I need to remember this from learning through the other content in there. So I need to remember this, and just in case I don't remember, let's just be clicking around up here. At some point, ClickLearn will tell me exactly where to go to, so even going through a process that I don't know by heart, I will also learn something, and I will be corrected through my process.
Click on the menu item Manage Members. Click on the button Use Query.
Now I'm just going to go through the rest of the process and take you to the end, and you can see the end result. So here at the end, I will get a detailed evaluation of how well I did in here. And as you see, I didn't perform that well, so I might need to go back and do some more training. Besides all the documentation and learning content ClickLearn creates, ClickLearn also creates the ClickLearn Assist. The ClickLearn Assist will guide me on top of the live application through the process I need to go through. Let me show you. Here I get all the conceptual information that's been added by the author. Then ClickLearn will start guiding me through the process. When I progress through my process, ClickLearn will progress with me and show me exactly where to do the actions. In this way, I'm able to go through processes I might not know by heart, and in that way, be able to perform my tasks anyway. Hi and welcome to this ClickLearn demo. My name is Lars Heinrich and I'm the training manager of ClickLearn. In this demo, I'd like to take you through all the nice features of ClickLearn. Now I'd like to show you what ClickLearn looks like seen from the author side. So now I'm the one creating the documentation and I'm going to show you how that works. So first of all, I need to start up a new recording and give it a name. Once I start up my recording, I'll have a toolbar in the right part of the screen, and this is where I control how I want to be recording. Right now, I want to record more steps in one go, so I'm going to select automatic over here. Then I'm going to start up the recorder by clicking on the big red dot. Now you see a big green rectangle in here, and that's actually ClickLearn telling me that it knows exactly where I am in the system. And depending on where I point with my cursor, it will mark a different area. ClickLearn is not a screen recorder as such, it's a system recorder, so it knows the behind-laying business system, and that's what I'm actually recording. So let me start recording my process, and while I'm recording my process here, it will also not record my voice or any of my fumbling around with the mouse or the screen refreshing, so you won't need to cut that out of the videos afterwards. It will only hold my actions and in that way simulate doing a video. So I'm just going to click into a couple of fields in here. And of course, this is a very simple recording. And of course, ClickLearn can record complex processes as well. So let's say I created my recording now. I'm going to stop it. I get back to the toolbar, but I actually want to stop it completely. So I'm going to go back there instead of maybe adding more steps to my process. So here's the process I just recorded. Here you can clearly see ClickLearn has captured all my actions in the system. It has automatically created each and every sentence in here for me. Click on the item accounts, click on the link and cell account name and so on, and crop the images perfectly in the size that I wanted. Put in all the highlighters in here throughout the full process I just went through. ClickLearn has this ready for me both as a show me, try me, and test me video format. It's ready for the Word, PDF, and PowerPoint, and also the ClickLearn Assist. Everything recorded in one go and very easy to produce.